Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Say hi in chat. Say hi in chat. Hello everyone. Am I audible? I just want to know if am I audible. If so, in last class we have done a lot, and today will be our last class of HTML. And from next week we are going to start with our CSS. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn about iframes. Okay, how to add some things. I'll just tell you what iframes does, then I'll tell you about meta tags, and if time permits then we will see few css css attributes, maybe just the text color or background color, all those things. Hello, I just want to reply in live chat. Reply in live chat. It's just so that I know that I am audible. That's it. And then we will start our class. Okay. So today our class might be short because we have only two topics, and these topics can get over in like in few minutes. So we will have a lot of time, so we can just discuss about all the things that we have learned till now. And if you have any doubts, so you can just discuss it with me here in class. Okay, and so let's get started. Okay, so let me just resize my notepad. Okay, and let me save this file, and this file's name will be day6.html. Okay, and when I go here in my D drive, here I have day 6, and when I double click on it, I am having this. Okay, okay, here I will get output for my, see here, whatever I wrote here in my file, that's what is written on my web page. So I will just increase size that it will be visible to all of you. Okay, hi Ashwini. Hi Ashwini. Hi. Okay, so I guess this is your first class, right Ashwini? So no problem if this is your first class, no problem, you can just go through our previous classes, and if you already have some knowledge about HTML, then it's fine. Okay, and and from next week we are going to start CSS. Okay. So let's get started. So we are going to start. Okay, in our last class, what we learned? We learned about how to make input forms, how to add text areas, how to add input for dates. If you want date in your forms, then how can you add date, email, files, checkbox, radio boxes, and how to add submit button, right? Okay, and we learned about divs and spans, right? So divs are basically a block element, and spans are inline element. If you think what these things are, you can just go back and go through the video of day 5. Yeah, we learned this in our last class. So let's get started. So let's make our basic format, doc type, HTML, and then we will have HTML. Okay, we will close our tag HTML. Okay, how to close tag? By using this. Okay, you are opening HTML tag, then closing it. Then we have head tag. In head tag, whatever we write in head tag, it is basically for our website, not for people to see. It is for our website. So now I want to change name of my website. So here, when you see here is my pointer. So when you see the name of my website here is shown day6.html. I don't want this to be shown here. So for that, you already know, I will use title tag inside head. Okay, and close it. Okay, not this dot, we use this. Like this. Okay, and then what we want, let's say iframe. Okay, I want to name iframe and metadata. So when I save and refresh, so now you will see the name of my website is iframe and metadata. FB recover करने का, what do you mean by that? मुझे ये समझ नहीं आया. FB recover means what? मतलब I don't understand. मुझे बताओ ये FB recover क्या होता है recover करना? थोड़ा सा explain करो, फिर बताती हूँ. ठीक है, and head हो गया. मैंने हेड सोच के HTML और हेड के बीच में कर दिया. हम ये लिखते हैं हेड के बीच में. ठीक है, हेड के अंदर लिखते हैं, वो मैंने गलत जगह लिख दिया था. सो ठीक है, बट टाइटल है तो ये हम हेड के अंदर ही लिखते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज टाइटल यहीं पे यूज होता है. एंड देन वी हैव बॉडी. थोड़ा जो HTML ना, थोड़ी बहुत जो एरर्स होते हैं वो ना वो कर लेता है, एडजस्ट कर लेता है थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पर. वो मेटाडेटा आई विल टीच यू टुडे. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मेटाडेटा. अरे FB का मतलब तो मुझे भी पता है, फेसबुक, बट रिकवर क्या होता है? लाइक FB को रिकवर करना क्या होता है वो पूछ रही. FB मुझे पता है. ओके, हैक रिकवर करने का नहीं, HTML में कैसे हो सकता है? नो, HTML इज जस्ट फॉर मेकिंग वेबसाइट. You cannot hack or recover your Facebook profile using HTML, not at all. Okay, for that you will have to use any other language, or not language actually, basically you have to go you have many more things for that. So basically you cannot use HTML for recovering your hacked Facebook ID. Okay, metadata. Yes, I am going to discuss about metadata in this class. Okay. So no problem. So yeah, so there is a thing. Okay, so if you remember, we learned about how to add videos in our app. Remember, sorry, in our website, remember? So what do we do for that? Okay, I want you to tell me how to add video in your website. Can you tell me that? Hmm? So here we have video tag for that, and we have src source, and you will just write the name of the video that you have in the same folder of your file. I have AA, and then I will just write aa.mp4. Okay, and I will write type. You don't have to write type, but it will work. And then I will just give controls. This is just a simple thing. And then I will end video tag. Video tag. Okay, now when I save and when I refresh, so here I have this video. Okay, and I can just change its size. Width is equal to, let's make it 100, and I'll just give a width. It will give height accordingly. So see, okay, 100 is this much. This is too small. Let me just resize it and refresh. This is better. Okay, fine. Yes, yes, Ashwini, video tags. Okay, no problem. So basically, boy, gamer, we use video tag. We have a video tag. Okay, we use video tag, and we have src, that is source element attribute in video tag. So we can just add any video to our website. Okay, but have you ever thought that how to add like if I want to add YouTube's video? Okay, if I want to add some video from YouTube, okay, so if I want to add some video from YouTube, let's use this one. Okay, so I want to add a video from YouTube to our website. Okay, so let me just it will take few seconds. Okay, because my net is slow, I guess, or maybe I have so many things running in my on my system. Okay, okay, it will take few seconds. Let me just wait. Okay, stereotech. Okay, so we have here, we have this Dhruvon Dhruvon video. Okay, so I will just click on it. Okay, and here I have 3 dots. When I click on 3 dots, okay, you have share option. You can go to any video in YouTube, and you can use same way. Just go to any YouTube video, click on share option. Okay, you can just click on share option. Here you will have this embedded, not on WhatsApp, not on Facebook, not on Twitter. Twitter, you don't have to go on any option. You just have to use first. You have to click on first option, that is embedded. You have you can see here is embedded, and now this is your embedded code. This is iframe code. Okay, this is iframe code, and here you have controls. Like if you want to give like show controls of this video on your website, you can just check it, or otherwise you can uncheck this option. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to just go and click on this copy option. Copy. Okay, what iframes are, I'm going to teach you now, but for now just to add video from YouTube, we will use copy option. Like we will use this embedded code and copy, and when I go back to my code, and here I will just paste it. Okay, and because it is very long, I will try to you know, set it inside. I will try, just give me a second. You have all the options here. You don't have to code anything. You have already copied everything from this. Okay. So here we have. Okay. Now when I save, okay. Now when I save and refresh my page, just make it 3. Save. Okay. I will just save. And you can see I have this YouTube video. Yes, boy gamer, I know what JavaScript is and I know how to I know JavaScript. I know stereotag tech, I know VS Code, I know all the other code editors, but I am using Notepad for some purpose. In each video, I have to explain why I am using Notepad. I am using Notepad so that all of you, so that I will use each and so that I will write each and every step, each and every code, and it will be just very helpful for students to practice, because in all these VS Code and all these editors, you will get all the tags and codes pre-written. Like many of the codes will be pre-written. Okay, so for students, for practicing, so I like Notepad, because here you have to write each and everything from scratch. So it will be a good practice for all of you. Okay, and if you want to use any other code editor, then it's totally fine, no problem, but I am using here so that I will write in front of you each and every tag, so that it will just get etched in your mind and you will not forget. So that's the reason I am using Notepad, and I am using it like consciously. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't know what other editors we have. Sure, Habib. I can teach you JavaScript. You can just go to our website, okay, and talk to well, you have contact number there, and you can just talk to our team, and we'll go forward with your request. Okay. So that's all. Yeah. So where were we? Yeah. So we have used IFrame, and we have just added YouTube video in our website. See? Right? So I have all the controls here. I have all controls. I can just change, I can change the like volume and all those things here. Okay, and I can just start my video. See all those things. So it is live. And so it is showing live. See. Okay. So we can, what we are doing, we are embedding our YouTube video in our website. So basically this YouTube video is of like from other website, right? It is from YouTube website. So still we can use video from other website. Okay, this is how we get iframe code from YouTube website. Okay, I'll just explain it again. Okay, you just have to go to any video. Okay, I just clicked on it. Okay, you can just go to any like any video. Okay, here you have share option. Go to share option. Okay, and here in share option you will get embedded option there. Okay, so you just have to click on embedded. Just give me few seconds. So you can just go through our website and like go back to the video and see this part where we are getting embedded video. Okay, fine. Embedded link. Okay, because it's very slow, so yeah, it's fine. So okay, and now what we are going to do, we are going to use iframe tags. What this iframe tag does, basically this iframe tag lets us to use other website into our website. Okay, so we can basically, I'll just make it very small. Okay, and I can change my YouTube's video size also. You can see I have width here of my YouTube video. I can change this also. Okay, I'll just use 250 and here 115. So when I save and when I refresh my page, so now see, so size of my this video is different, that is 200, and I have changed the size of my YouTube video also by just changing these values from here. Okay, okay, fine. So now what I'm doing, I am embedding some other websites video into my website. So I can embed another website in my website by using iframe tag. Okay, so iframe, okay, so we will use iframe, and after iframe we have source attribute, source, and in source attribute we write the link of the website. So https this and www.dhruvon.com and close it. Okay, and we have to like close our iframe. Okay, so when I save and when I refresh, okay, you will see here I have www.dhruvon. Yeah, so see, it is coming here. Okay, so I have got my dhruvon.com here in my website. You can change its height and size, like height and width according to you. How? We will just add like this, same way. Width is equal to, let's say, 500, and height, let's say 200. Okay, and when I save and when I save, because it's still loading, okay, and when I save and refresh my page, now size of my website will be different. See, oh, okay, see. So now what I'm doing, I am just using some other website into my website. Okay, I can choose the size and everything here. Okay, and this is called border. Okay, frame border. This is our frame border. If we can change this also. Okay, we'll just add here frame border. Okay, and we will just set it 0. We will just set it to 0. Refresh. Okay. And you will see now it's more embedded than before. You can just increase size or decrease size, like border size, according to yourself. And how do you do that? By using frame border attribute. Okay. So you can basically embed some videos, some websites into your website. Okay, some other website. Okay, I don't know why it's now is it fine? Okay, same way we can embed. This is, what is this? This is website that we are embedding in our website. Okay, same way we can embed, same way we can embed some PDF, okay, into our website. We can embed PDF also in our website. Either we can use, we have different ways. I can use iframes, okay, iframes. I can use iframes, and here I'll just write the name of PDF. So here I have one PDF that's its name is Python with DSA. I'll just rename it so that it will be easy for me. I'll just write Python, okay, and here I can write name python.pdf, okay, and I'll just comment it out, this website, okay, and I will change my PDF size. Height is fine. I'll just change width. Instead of 500, let's use 300. So when I save it and when I refresh my page, okay, and when I refresh my page, you will see PDF here. PDF is embedded here, okay. See, so now you can see PDF here, and you have all the options here, okay. You can download this website and you want to print, you can print it. You have more options here, okay. You have 4 pages here. You can increase the size of your text. Why my PDF is coming in this size? Because I have set it to this size. Width is 500 and height is 200. That's what I have made my PDF as, like, right? So we can embed PDF using either iframe, or we have another tag called embedded, like embed, okay. We have another tag called embed, okay, and this also has source attribute python.pdf. I am using same, but this embed also has one attribute called type, and here you will write application PDF, okay, and close. And you do not have closing tag for embed, okay. This is self closing tag, okay, and you can just change its size also. So I will just change its size to 100 and height will be 50, just to show that both are different, both PDFs are different here, okay. And when I refresh, you will see that I have 2 PDFs now in different, like I have added same PDF but with using different tags, and so I have used different size so that you can differentiate between the like tags that I have used, okay. So here I have embed tag, so I have used embed tag here. See, now this is my PDF used with embed tag, okay. I'll just write here embed tag, okay, save and refresh, and then you will see here I have just written embed tag, okay. And this is iframe tag. I'll write just for you to understand, using iframe tag, save, refresh, and here I have using iframe tag. Okay, I can embed PDF in my website using one more tag called object. Okay, one more tag called object. I will just copy and paste it because most of the things are same. I'll just change what all things we need to change. So here we have object tag. We will use object tag, and instead of embed we will use object, and everything is same. We have to use type, we have to use source and height and width, and we have to close this object tag. Only embed tag is self-closing, but object tag you have to close it separately. So now when I refresh, you will see you have object tag, and using object tag okay, so after object tag you will have all the things here. Okay, you will have PDF in your, okay, one more thing, we don't have source here, we have data. We have data in object. Okay, we don't have source, we have data in object tag. So when we refresh here, okay, when we refresh here, you will get your PDF in your website. Okay, here. Yes, Habib, I guess you are right. Okay, because my laptop is on since 11 a.m. in the morning, so maybe yes. Okay, so I'll have to check what is happening today, why my system is so slow today, but okay, that's okay. This is just this system, these things happens. Okay, this is just a machine, so these things happen, like lagging and internet and all those things will happen, but that should not stop us from learning. Okay, yeah, fine. So these are the tags using which we can add and embed another website or YouTube video or PDF. Okay, okay, so now we are going to learn about meta tags. So basically meta tags are meta tag that has metadata. So what is metadata? Metadata is data about data. That means it is about if you have to give your name, okay, so name will be data. So you are giving some data about name, that why you are using that, why you are getting that data, the name, the data that you want to have, why you want name data, right? So basically we use, and this meta tag we use in head tag, inside head tag. Okay, so whatever you write inside head tag, it is not for users, it is for website. Okay, so we have meta tag, and meta tag has name. Okay, so name has different values. So name has description values, name has description value, and you have content. Okay, content is this name description, this tag will actually give the description about your website. Okay, which actually tells any search engine that what your website is about. So let's say Dhruvon for Python, Java, HTML, CSS, JS courses. I'll just write this much for now. Okay, and it's self-closing. Okay, so here this is the description about your website. Okay, this is the information about your website to any search engine. Okay, so this cannot be extended more than 160. If you extend your description more than 160 characters, so you like either search engine will just not go beyond 160 and it will just ignore the text after 160, or they can also penalize you. Okay, so tags are basically about information about data. Okay, so here we have this, then we have another, we have meta, okay, name, and here we have another value, author. Author will be who is author of this website. Okay, so I am making this website, so this is Shikha. Okay, so so this is to know that who is the author of this website. Okay, whatever you do in this meta tags in head, that is not shown on your website. Now if I refresh, it will not be like it will not be shown on your website. Okay, I'll just give some background color to my website. Let's see. Okay, now another meta name attribute is, another is keywords. Here you basically like add keywords through which your website can be searched. Okay, let's say code, and you can use comma here. Okay, code, Dhruvon, HTML, comma, CSS, comma, JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript, comma, Python, comma, data science, and anything. Okay, so these are keywords for your website. If like if any keyword matches with the search, so they are going to come to your website. Okay, they are going to give your website as search result. Okay, so next we have viewport. So basically this viewport, what this viewport will do, meta name is equal to viewport. Okay, what this viewport will do, this basically controls how your website will be displayed on different devices. Basically now this is laptop, so on laptop you can see my website like this, but if you see if you like open my website in mobile phone, it will not look like this. It should be like properly seen on website, right? Like on phone, right? For that we use meta so for that we use name attribute as viewport. So here you can just add width and size, anything you can add here. Okay, so you will use width is equal to, if you want to fixed if you want your website to be have fixed size, then you can use fixed size. Otherwise you can just give, I'll just write here, you can just give content is equal to width is equal to device width, like whatever width that device has, so the width will be of device's width. Okay, and this is just the initial scale. We have another attribute called initial state, and that will be 1.0. Okay, now when we save, it will not be visible on my website, but when you want to see my this website in any other device, then the width of my website will be like this, like the width of any device, and the initial scale will be 1.0, like whatever the size it has. Okay, okay, so that's all about metadata. We have many more values for meta tags, but as of now this will be enough. Okay, and do you have any doubts still here? Do you have any doubts still here? Okay, good. So, let's play with some style tags, like some attributes of style. Okay. Uh, some values of style attribute. Okay. So here in paragraph, I want to change color of my text. Okay. So for that, I will use style attribute and I will use color colon and let's make it red. Okay. And when I save and refresh, now the text of my website is red. Right? We have used style tag in paragraph tag. So this way you can just use the style tag in any tag. Style attribute in any tag. Here we have red color of text. Okay. Let's try border. Border, let's make it 5px and save. Okay. So I guess spelling is wrong. No problem. So what we can do, I don't want my object to be on the left side. I want it in the center. For that, what I can do, I can use text align. Text align, and here I will use center. Save, and when I refresh my page, so now this text is in center of this page. Right? Center of this page. What if I want to change size of my text? Right? For that, I can use font size. Let's make it 20px. Now when I save and refresh, so now the size of my text is bigger. Let me make it more bigger. Let's make it 50. And when I save it now, refresh, so now see, the text size is different. I can change font also. How? We have font family, and here you can write any font, like name of any font. Okay, so PERDANA. I just know this text name. Okay, so that's why font name. So when I refresh, it's basically same actually. Okay, so you can just change font of your text also just by writing name of font. Okay, we have many more things like this. Okay, so which we are going to learn in from our next class, that is from Monday. Okay, so if you want to use style and if you want to change background color of your this text, we will just use not before style, inside style, background dash color. Let's make it pink. Okay, and now when I save, so oh, background color, background spelling is wrong. Okay, so background spelling is right now, and when I refresh, so see, now background color of my object tag is pink because that's what I made color. Okay, just like this, do it like this, so that it will be a bit easier for you to see. Okay, so we have used our style attribute in paragraph. Okay, okay, so that's all for today's class. Okay, so we are going to start with CSS classes from Monday at same time. Okay, so bye everyone, keep practicing and use everything that we have learned today in our class. Okay, bye everyone, good night, take care.